The next comes the link tag. I'm sure you're gonna like this. A, the attribute is A, and as we used src to give the source, here we are gonna use href. href is equal to, say, leave it blank for now, and slash A, it's a pair tag of course, and between these two arrow, there's two greater less than and greater than signs, brackets, we have to write the text which we want to give a link. Say, let's see, click here to go, for example. Just save it and refresh. It won't take me anywhere as I haven't specified any path here. Now let's make a second page to which we want to make a link to. Let's open a notepad, control new. Yep, let me do this fast. As you all know now how to do it. HTML head, then title. Yes, it can be written the same line, then second page, then slash title slash head, then body, then the link tag a h ref is equal to, let's let it blank for now, or we can write it already. We want to link it back to the HTML page, so its name is HTML and the extension is, as we know, html.html, and close the bracket. Now add the text, now write it. Let's go back and close it. Don't forget to close the body, and the HTML tag. Save it. I want to save it in HTML doc, so let's write 2.html. don't forget the extension HTML. Then let's see this. Let's go back. It's taking me there on but when we click on this, it won't take me anywhere because we haven't specified the path. Now let's type the path, 2.html, save, refresh. Now let's click here, it's take me there, takes me back like this. As the pages are in the same folder, we don't need to specify the whole path. We can only specify the name, to html.html and 2.html. Now we can specify the link color. There are three tags to change the link color, and they are to be written in the body tag. Don't forget this, not to be written in this tag, they should be written in the body tag. The first one is link, then is equal to color, and then a link, it stands for active link, then v link, visited link, is equal to double inverted commas. Now let's try giving this a color white. Save, refresh. See, I have already visited this link, so it will show me white. Now active link, let's give it a red, and link, normal link color, standby link color, it should be, say, green. Let me save it, refresh. I've already visited this, so it will be white. When I click here, it will go to this page. As we have not specified any link color to this page, it will show the default visited link color, that is, say, violet. Now let's copy paste this green, Control C, and to this page in the body tag. Now we're gonna get a problem, just see. Save. There's not gonna be a problem if you leave much space in between. Save, refresh. See, this is our problem. You can't see the link because the background is white, and also our text color for the link is white. Not our text color is not white. For the link, visited link, it's white. Now let's change the background color. If you want to see it, say bg color is equal to blue. See, I'm not giving any inverted commas. It's not going to be a big problem, but as there is no tag gonna be with after this to cause it a problem. Save, refresh, blue. Yep, Now you can see, let's go there, and active link, when you click it, this link's gonna be active, so it's gonna be turning to red. These two turning to red as the active link color is red. There's one more thing you can do with the HTML link tag, is you can link images. That is, see, a href is equal to 2 again, 2.html again, and in case instead of writing this text, let's add an image here. The image tag, see this, same. Can I copy this whole? Copy, paste, border 2, okay. Let's close the tag and save. Now see, refresh, we also got an image for you. Now see, this visitor link color is white, so the border color will automatically be white, and when I click it, it got red because our active link color is red. Okay, it will take me back there. The next on our list is table tag. Let's add a table. It starts with table, table, then tr stands for new row, then td stands for table data, then close it, td, then slash tr to close the tr, then slash table to end the table. Okay, now this is a bit complex to understand, so pay attention here. Table stands for creating a table. The browser will understand he has to create a table. Then tr stands for new row. The browser will create a new row, and td stands for table data. It will create a cell in the row. So let's see our output. It's probably gonna be nothing. Refresh. See, nothing happened. I'm refreshing it. See. Now let's add some data into the cell. Say first cell, save, refresh, see, first cell, but you are not gonna see its border or anything now, so let's specify its border. border is equal to 2, then save it and refresh. See, that's the border. Now let's specify border color. The attribute for it is border color. Our color is equal to, say, blue. Save, refresh. See, the border color is blue here. Now let's add another cell. For that you will need td, again tag, then second cell slash td. Don't forget that this coding for table is always complex, so don't mess up. Save, refresh. See, it gave me a second cell, then the third one, td. Let's try doing it. The cell, then close that slash td and save it again and refresh. See, 3 cells in the same row, because we haven't closed the row between here somewhere. The td tags are coming between these tr tags, so in the same row these cells will be created in the same row. Now let's create another row after this, tr, and again td, and I want to add let me close it so that you will understand better, tr. So this create a new row. Now new cell, td, and let's fourth cell, then close that td, save. I'm using Ctrl S to save the fourth cell. Now there are no cells here, so it will show vacant space, and the cell size specifier is this much, so the default cell size will be this much. You can't increase the cell size. Then td again, fifth cell, then slash td, save. See, fifth cell. Now this time I'm gonna use th. Th tag also stands for creating a cell. sixth tag, six, what I'm doing, sixth cell slash th. Now we'll see a bit difference. See, it's a bold, bold one. The text is bold. Table heading. TH stands for table heading and TD stands for table data. Table heading, as you know, headings are in a bit bold and different format like that. The sixth one, TH will be in the different format. The next we have is column spanning and row spanning. So let's span two columns. Let's try rows first. Rows span is equal to, I want to span two rows. There are two rows I have created, but for that, the spanning these two rows, the cell below 3 should be empty. The cell below third cell is sixth cell. It should be empty. Let me empty it. Let me delete this. Save. And refresh. See, it got spanned. The third cell spanned the sixth cell. Now let's try column span. Column span basically spans two columns. Let the fourth column span the fifth column. So fifth column won't be visible, only the fourth column will occupy whole the space. So the attribute is col span is equal to 2, as I want to span two columns. Yes, and this should be basically empty then. Delete. So save and refresh. See, the fourth column occupied the space and there is no separator line here, so that it specifies that fourth. Next on our list we have Marquee. The tag for it is Marquee. I mean RQUE, close it and slash Marquee. Okay, we have to write whatever the text we want as a Marquee between this. So let me try hi. Save it. Control saved. Yep. See, the hi is scrolling like this. Now you can add it anywhere, like Marquee Control X. I have cut it, paste it here, save, refresh. It will appear in the fourth cell or anywhere. Now you can add an image again. See, I'm trying copying this. Let me copy this. Copy, paste, save. The image with go Marquee will just a sec. Let's take it out from the fourth cell. Control X, Control V, save, refresh. Come on, where are you? He'll be here in a minute. Wait, I've saved it. Refresh. See, here it is. It took a little bit time to process, cause I have many applications open. They are not seen to you. You can add anything. Again, you can add a hyperlink. Add this hyperlink again. Let's try. Let me show you. Let me add this whole thing. Control C in place of this. Control V. Save. Refresh. Now it will again take a bit time to come. It's taking time. Marquee will take time to process. Let me try. See, now when I take over it, it's a hyperlink, and when I click over it, it's the active link. Background border color changes to red. When I click it, it will come to here like that.